Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to log into your Hubdoc account. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Chrome browser here. And after opening the Chrome browser, now all you have to do is go to the search bar right here and start typing hubdoc.com. So after typing hubdoc.com, you have to tap on the enter button on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official website of Hubdoc. Here you can see this is the official website of Hubdoc, and all you have to do is click on login button right here, and this will take you to the login page of Hubdoc, and all you have to do is enter your email. So after entering the email, all you have to do is type down your password in here. So click in here and start typing down your password. So after typing down your password, all you have to do is click on sign in securely. So after clicking on it, here you can see we have successfully logged into our account. Here you can click on your profile right here and go to your profile and see this is your profile. And like this, you can log into your Hubdoc account. Pretty easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.